model, 2010 Vauxhall Combo 1.3 Cdti short wheelbase, factory crew cab MOTED excellent runner no VAT bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 171153. MOT, the 9th of September 2025. Engine, 1248 cc Z13DT E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Occasionally, the ABS light will flicker on and off. It does not affect the drive or performance at all. Loads of MOT very well maintained, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, alloy wheels, wind-up windows, factory crew cab. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740